Hello everyone, this is Randy and welcome back to Furniture Shuffle. This next piece is for a couple of clients. It had been in their family for a long time and they recently got it passed down to them and they liked it, but they just wanted me to make it a little, and this is their words, a little less boring. Overall, it was in really good shape. The only thing they wanted changed is they always remembered it with glass knobs. So I will be replacing that hardware with some glass knobs. They did tell me that it had been refinished in the past, hence the new knobs. But we are going to give it a whole new look. After scraping, I sanded it with first 120 grit sandpaper to get the rest of the finish off, and then I finished it all off with 220 grit. Because the clients were fairly conservative with their tastes, I decided not to go too wild with designs, and so I'm just using my go-to medium brown stain, a Varathane Early American color for the base. The piece overall had really beautiful wood grain, so for contrast, I just decided to leave the drawers a natural wood color. I applied 3 coats of Behr satin finish poly to the whole piece. The clients approved these new glass knobs that I found on Amazon. This was a really quick and easy project. The clients were very nice and they didn't want anything very complicated, so that made it easy for me. The dresser had a lot of really nice wood grain, so I just decided to keep it very, very simple and just use some different colored stains and put on the glass knobs that they requested. They loved how it turned out. Let me know what you think. And as always, thank you for watching. So let's take a look at the final result.